take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber cells and 2 large rubber cells on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Use screwdriver to fit holders to the machine. Connect the large LED laser applicators to the machine. Connect the small LED laser applicators to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the face RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the eye RF handpiece to the machine. Put all the handpieces and laser applicators into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine, and then press power switch to get the machine started. 40K treatment. The default function is 40K after the machine is started. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range 0 to 9, 3 to 7 is recommended. Apply gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Press function button and choose vacuum and RF. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Mode 1 for vacuum is recommended. Press Mode button to switch among different modes. Vacuum mode selection. Mode 1, constant suction, suitable for those who want skin scraping therapy for detoxification. Mode 2 to Mode 5 are discontinuous working modes. Mode 2 is suitable for those who want massage for relaxing themselves. Mode 3 is suitable for those who want low-intensity skin scraping therapy and massage for detoxification. Mode 4 is suitable for those who want lower intensity skin scraping therapy and massage for detoxification. Mode 5 is suitable for those who need a massage for detoxification and want to promote circulation. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment, otherwise there will be blockage. Press button to begin the treatment. There is a knob for adjusting suction level on the top of the machine. Adjust it based on individual endurance. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Press function button and choose body RF. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press function button and choose phase RF. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press function button and choose IRF. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press function button and choose LED laser. Set parameters. 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Wrap the strap with purple lens around the target area. Fix the laser applicators into the strap. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, time can be prolonged if you only use the laser applicators. If you use them in conjunction with massage techniques or other handpiece treatment, time should be set within reasonable range. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the handpieces for the next time use.